Hi everyone, it's Milla, and today I wanted to make something for Halloween. So I made these 3 creepy pins for this year's spooky season. I am using clear shrink plastic, and first you just trace your design on the plastic with a permanent marker. Then cut out your design carefully. If you would want to make this into a charm, just remember to punch a hole. I am a huge fan of Nightmare Before Christmas, so I wanted to have at least one pin design to be from that movie. And what Halloween tutorial this would be without a witch's black cat? Now all the charms have been shrinked and it's time to add some color and sparkle. Gluing colored paper to each pin. Glue them with normal glue stick and remember to add them to the side where the design was drawn. Then I added on top a layer of Ranger's Glossy Accents, clear dimensional medium. For the Oogie Boogie Man, I added some sparkle with confetti glue before the final layer of gloss. Then I just hot glued the pin packs to the pins and they are all done. Which pin is your favorite? Let me know. Mine has to be the Oogie Boogie Man or the